So today I'm breaking down BigCommerce Enterprise and whether it's actually worth it for US e-commerce brands. But before we go step by step, here's the part nobody talks about. If your store keeps slowing down during traffic spikes, flash sales, product drops, holiday rush, there's one hidden performance feature in BigCommerce that fixes it instantly. I'll show you exactly what that is in the moment. Now, let's talk about what BigCommerce Enterprise really offers. This platform is built for scaling, not just selling. Unlimited API calls, advanced checkout customization, multi-store front, and built-in tools for B2B, headless commerce, or huge product catalogs. It's made for businesses that have outgrown basic Shopify plans. Here comes the transformation moment. A brand that used to struggle with slow load times, messy plugins, and checkout errors can suddenly run fast, stable, high conversion stores across multiple markets, all from one dashboard. But BigCommerce Enterprise isn't perfect. The interface has a learning curve and many features require developer setup. Plus, the cost varies depending on revenue, so it's not ideal for small shops. Now, back to the hidden feature I mentioned earlier. BigCommerce Enterprise includes Akamai Edge infrastructure, which actually boosts speed and security, meaning your store stays fast even with thousands of customers hitting the site at once. So here's the real verdict. If you're growing mid-sized or enterprise brand that needs flexibility, API power, and multi-store scaling, BigCommerce Enterprise is absolutely worth it. But if you are a smaller store, you won't fully use what you're paying for. If you want a full beginner walkthrough of BigCommerce dashboard, drop a comment. And don't forget to like, subscribe for more US commerce breakdowns.